What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. As you guys can tell, if you have a good eye, I'm sitting in an F80 BMW M3. It's got the secure orange leather interior. Looks beautiful, and I'm with my buddy Gabe. You guys might have seen him. You guys might know him as Blues Clues M3, both on IG and on YouTube. And today we're going to be doing a sick canyon run. It's actually sunset right now, so it should be like a fun little night drive as the sun continues to set. And we're going to have a discussion, or we're going to attempt a discussion, talk about the car, and just have fun. So let's get right into it. Here's Gabe's M3 for you guys. It's Yas Marina Blue. It's actually a metallic paint finish. He's got the carbon fiber front splitters as well, carbon fiber kidney grills in the front, style 437M wheels that are really clean right now. He's got the carbon fiber roof on this thing as well, secure orange leather interior. It's a really cool color contrast. It's very bold, but it fits really well with this car. Got the carbon fiber spoiler in the rear. What? And the carbon fiber rear diffuser. So we are currently going through some back roads in Southern California. It's just so unbelievably planted. We got a car pulled over, so we're gonna slow down. Oh my god, dude. This car is just a freaking ride. This car is unbelievable. The way that the chassis is just planted. A lot of people say that the F8X chassis seems a little bit nervous and it feels non-confidence inspiring, but honestly, this thing is planted. I mean, it stays down. Granted, it is lowered on springs. It's got spacers, so the wheelbase is widened a bit. We're tuned. We've got Michelin Pilot Sport Forest tires in the front, brand new Federal 595 RSR double Rs in the rear, 275s. So we've got a bunch of good rubber in the back. Oh my god, this car is so fast. Oh my god. It is honestly mind-blowing to me that this car is a four-door family sedan that you can take every day to the grocery store, to work, to movies with the kids and the wife. But yet again, we are ripping these back roads. I mean, we are annihilating these back roads. And this car is insane. I mean, it makes around 500 horsepower to the wheels, around 450 torque to the wheels or so, something around that. It's just honestly really incredible. So we are easily hitting speeds upwards of 70 to 80 miles per hour through these turns. This is also a rear-wheel drive car, and the amount of grip that it has is just unreal. These views are absolutely incredible as well. I hope the audio is being picked up on the camera. I don't cuss very often, but this car is gonna make me cuss. Like, I can hear you. Oh yeah, dude. If you guys can hear me, I want one so bad, it's not even funny. So we've got the F80 M3, we've got Rod. How you doing, bro?
How you doing, channel?
Good, man, good. We've got, this is my buddy Tony's Dodge Charger RT. This thing is badass and it's loud as Scat Pack. Oh, I'm sorry, not an RT. RT Scat Pack. It sounds insane. As you can hear it. That muscle car life. This is my buddy Augie's BMW M235i. It is really clean. And then we've got Rod's E92 M3. Just stopped up at this viewpoint. Like I said, we got the cars parked and everything, but look at this view. I mean, the sun is already set, so it's starting to get real dark outside. but it's spectacular. This is one of the joys of living in Southern California, is that you get the opportunity to drive through some epic mountain roads that will just literally give you like the most insane thrills that you could ever experience, and you get amazing vista points and views as well. So I don't know if you guys are able to hear those fans that are running, but this car has, I think, like 13 different heat exchangers, because obviously the twin turbo inline 6, the S55 motor, produces immense amount of heat, and with engines like the N54 and whatnot, BMW learned their lesson to definitely add sufficient cooling systems to cope with the amount of heat that these motors produce. The sky's really starting to get a bit dark. We've got the headlights on now. This is really gonna see how this car performs at night in some insane back roads. We are now going in the reverse direction. We're going downhill now. Let's see how this thing does. Now we have gravity on our side, but at the same time that means that we have to be careful with our momentum. We're really probably gonna be using the brakes much more than going uphill. The grip on this car is... it sounds so good too. These catless downpipes on the stock exhaust with the valve actively open, it's not too raspy. It's the perfect amount of deep, throaty inline 6 sound. Fuck, man.
It sounds like a fucking video game, dude.
This literally feels like a video game.
I've seen this shit in Forza before.
Right? Forza's the only shit that I've seen this before. If you guys want a car that will make you giggle and half shit your pants at the same time, this is a good car to buy. It's got some incredible performance, chassis handling sound. My God, this is so fast. Oh my God. Apologize guys, it's getting pretty dark out, so the camera might be a little bit fuzzy because it compensates for the lighting. It's going so fast.
Okay, alright, I'm getting used to this ramp.
Yeah. Keep in mind as well, Gabe really isn't even, I mean, he's pushing it pretty well, but he's still getting used to these tires, so. Just keeps pulling. The way that the S55 brings on its power is so smooth, while at the same time it shoves you so hard. But all the way to redline, this thing just pulls and pulls. I mean, it just doesn't stop. Even when you hit 5th, 6th gear, I mean, it just keeps going.
I was surprised you're able to talk. It's like, I thought we were going to have a discussion. I can't.
Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely hope you guys did enjoy the video. Gabe's M3 is absolutely incredible. It's a riot to drive, to say the least. That car feels like it's on edge. It feels like you're driving this wild, unchained animal that is just literally ready to kill at all times. It is so much fun, and it gives you a crazy adrenaline rush. And at the end of the day, that's what driver's cars should be all about. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up on this video, as well as subscribe to Simply Car Things, my YouTube channel. Gabe also has a YouTube channel as well if you want to see more of his car. It will be featured on my channel, definitely more in some coming videos, but he has a channel as well where he primarily does videos on that thing, talking about all sorts of stuff, reliability, parts, etc. And so I will leave a link to it in the description. It's Blues Clues M3. Be sure to check him out and subscribe to him as well. And with all that being said, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.